Good morning! Welcome to today's vlog. We have a jam-packed day for you today, guys, because we've got what? We do have a jam-packed day. Today's agenda, we're starting off by going to look at composite decking for the area around our pool. I said in our last video how we're going to do composite instead of concrete because it's just easily accessible to us and we can pick the color and whatever. It's going to look good, but we're going to start the day off by picking that out. And then today is gloomy weather and I'm so excited about it because it's been beautiful the last I feel like the whole summer's just been nice. It adds pressure to be outside and enjoying the pool and fixing up the area around the pool and stuff like that. Anyways, it just means that everything that we have to do in the house kind of gets put on the back burner because you feel guilty being in the house. But we're gonna wrap up stuff in our house, such as the top of the cabinets, little things that as we were renovating, we're like, oh, we'll get back and do it later. And now suddenly it's been 2 years and it needs to be done, AKA painting the living room ceiling, painting our bedroom ceiling, repainting the patio doors, the one in our bedroom. Let me show you. This one here, ew, I know it's awful because Aspen chipped away all the paint at it, and so I literally colored it in with permanent marker the one day so that it would look better on video. But yeah, I want to repaint this door. There's just a bunch of stuff that needs to happen, like this ceiling, you can see it needs painted. But, ooh! Day off. Our clothing line launches on Saturday at noon Eastern Standard Time. So we're launching our clothing line this Saturday. I've kind of talked about it. Sorry, the angle's kind of crooked. I've kind of talked about it a little bit on here, but it's called Day Off Apparel by Aspen Ackley. Aspen Ackley is our dog's name, but it's also the username of our whole brand. It says Day Off. All of them come with their custom tags, Day Off Apparel, and we had been thinking about doing clothing for a little while. It's our first time ever launching it, so it's not a huge launch. There's only 3 products that we're selling, but it's the t-shirt and the Day Off hat, which is so cute. This is embroidered, so it's just a nicer quality and it looks so cute. And the back is adjustable as well. And then the Day Off hoodie. So says Day Off on the front, and the back, it's covered in dog hair right now, but the back says Day Off as well. So we used to always get asked when we started renovating and sharing our projects online, people would be like, how do you have the time to do this stuff? Because we did all of it quite literally on our day off because we both worked full-time, and that's what we would say. We would say we did it on our day off. Fast forward to 2 years later, we've come up with Day Off Apparel by Aspen Ackley. And it's just comfortable workwear that you can wear and get dirty. Everything is super, super heavy duty, high quality. Same with the t-shirts. They're really heavy duty. So you can get them dirty and you can wash them and you won't have any issue. They also look really cute. So you could wear them when you're working and it's ironic because it says day off, but you're working. Or you could wear them when you're actually having a day off and lounging around and want to wear something comfortable. So it's kind of the best of both worlds, and we're really proud of it, and we're just so excited to share it. So it launches this Saturday, aspenackley.com, if you want to check it out, and we're just so excited to share it with you. Anyways, let's start the rest of our day. This is another project that we're going to be starting to tackle more today. If you've been around for a while, you might remember this is the second bathroom on our main floor. So the old bathroom door used to be right here, and we got rid of it, closed it in because we made the ensuite on the other side right here. So this is the new bathroom. So to access it, this used to be a closet door, and now you walk through and it's the bathroom. Again, it's a mess, but whatever. I know you won't judge. So this is the bathroom that we're currently working on because we're putting in a shower and making it a nice good sized bathroom because right now when friends and family come over, they use the one in our room. But it's just overdue for the makeover. This has been a year and a half in progress. So this is the tile we're using in the bathroom. It comes in the hexagons in different variations of a wood grain. So that's gonna look really pretty, and that's gonna flow all the way through into the shower. So you can see here, it's gonna be a curbless shower. The bathroom in our ensuite bathroom is also curbless because this house is very accessible as it is. Just have to keep that in mind that if we wanna sell it, we don't want it to be limiting to who can buy it potentially down the road, not anytime soon. One day, if we put this place up for sale, we just don't want it to be we want it to be really inclusive of different abilities to be able to buy the house, because you can come in through the garage right now, wheel yourself or push your walker or literally whatever into the main floor. The kitchen and everything, living room is all accessible. You can go straight out onto the deck, which is no problem. And then the bathroom will be nice and easy to use too. You don't have to step into the shower. It's just a nice and easy glide in. And that's nice for the ensuite bathroom too. I have to cover what's on the back of that bookshelf. Grand piano or tar black? Grand piano is what's already there though.
Yeah.
So maybe that's just easiest.
Yeah, just do a different finish.
Okay.
We're just picking it out.
Toilet shopping.
Oh, these are gone.
Because who gives a
That would have been good.
We do. That's why we need the toilet. Did you get that joke?
That was a good one. Very good, yes. What's up, Schluter?
Schluter.
Might as well grab 3 of these. We got one at home, right?
Looks expensive. Okay, we're looking for tile for that other bathroom.
The
And
wall.
why does Lowe's selection make it look like they haven't updated it in years? No offense to anybody who's putting this in their house.
Yeah.
Like, I swear they haven't updated this section in a hot minute. Okay, we're back from the store. I'm gonna start by tackling this door. And there we go. Much better. And then I also touched up our patio door leading to the deck. That one just needed a little bit of touch-ups too, so it was nice and easy. But I wanted to show you what I'm also working on at the same time. A friend of mine is getting married, and she asked if I could do a cocktail sign for her wedding. So that's her one dog. It's not done yet. And then her other dog. But how cute is that? I just did the cricket cutter. I'm gonna make a TikTok about it in case anyone's inspired, but isn't it adorable? Andy Cam.
And then what, turn it around?
Andy Cam, what's up?
How do you turn it around? So here it is. This is the bathroom off the hallway. Straight ahead through the door, there will be a vanity on your left. The toilet will be on the right. Walk-in shower on the left there. So today I'm going to be doing the underlayment for the floor, install the shower pan, and maybe get started on the tile. Don't mind a match.
Oh. Okay, so welcome to our home gym garage. That's also storing our old couch, the old couch cushions, a little bit of everything, but
Everything we just throw in here.
pretty much it's really a dumping ground. But okay, so we're in the garage because this is a vanity that we ordered a year ago,
At least.
and we've never looked at it. So vanity unboxing.
Yeah, it's upside down.
Oh, shoot. It's not that heavy.
Nice.
Ooh. So here she is. Here we go, vanity unboxing. Thumbnail.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Nailed it.
All right, guys. Oh my gosh, I look rough. I've just spent so long trying to get the website organized and ready for Saturday's launch because we were having some issues with products, so I'm sorry if you were one of the 3 people that were on the website when I ended up password protecting it, but we had a very busy day. We got made progress on the bathroom, as you saw, painted some trim, repainted the doors. We didn't end up getting to the ceiling, but maybe tomorrow.
Maybe.
It's calling for rain again tomorrow. Andrew's supposed to be going golfing, but if he gets stuck at home with me, seems like the perfect day to paint the ceiling. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and don't forget to check out Day Off Apparel at aspeneckley.com. We will be shipping in North America. We have 3 products hitting the website, but there'll be more products coming, and that's our first time launching anything, so it's a little test run to see how it goes. But I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!